Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. This question is taken from exercise part from 10th Science NCERT, chapter number 12, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. The question is, imagine that you are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. An electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall is deflected by strong magnetic field to your right side. What is the direction of magnetic field? Let us consider this chamber. Imagine that you are sitting in this chamber with your back to one wall. An electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall. We know that electron has negatively charged particle. Its direction is opposite to that of direction of current. So the current moves from front side to back side. Here we forget about electrons. To find out the magnetic field direction, we have to use left-hand rule. According to left-hand rule, the middle finger is kept to the direction of the current and the thumb direction should be the right side of yours. Then the forefinger shows the direction of the magnetic field. So the answer is the magnetic field inside the chamber is in downward direction.